Hey guys, welcome to the Field Archer Video Productions. Today's episode is brought to you by arrowwrap.com. We're going to be showing you guys how to repair, wrap, and fletch your damaged arrows. Okay, the first step is removing the damaged fletching from your shaft. I'm using a box cutter here. There is fletching removal tools available, but box cutter works great. I like to use this. It comes off this easy. Okay, just slide it down the shaft, removes your fletching. Okay, and then with the excess glue, all you do is just slide your box cutter, the blade up and down the shaft. Okay, clean that up. Okay, once we removed all of our excess glue on there, we got our shaft all nice and cleaned up. Now we just want to prep it for the arrow wrap. Now to prep our arrow, I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol and a cloth. We're just going to apply that to the end of the shaft and just clean any excess glue and oils that may be on the shaft. We're ready to apply our wrap. Now to apply our wraps, all we do is peel off a wrap, place it on a mouse pad, we take our shaft, okay, and all we do, guys, is we just line it up with the arrow wrap, just nice and straight. Okay, and all we want to do is you want to apply pressure and roll it forward. Okay, and that's it. We just roll it with pressure. And then we just want to press the wrap onto the shaft, and that's it. We have just installed our arrow wrap. Now we move over to our Joe Jam multi-fletcher to fletch our arrows. To set up our arrow in the jig, we're just going to simply slide the shaft and the nock into the jig. With our shafts all set up in our jig, now we're ready for our fletching. We take our clamp and our fletching, slide our fletching into the clamp, have all my clamps pre-measured, know exactly where the fletching should be. There's no exact on that. You can put them up as high as you want. You just want to make sure that when you're at full draw that your fletching is going to clear your string. Okay, and now you're ready for glue. With your fletching all set up in your clamp, all you do is you take your glue and a thin bead, along your fletching, okay, and you're ready to install it into the jig. All we do is slide our clamp into the jig, apply a little pressure. After 10 minutes, we remove our clamps. After we have removed our clamps, we set our jig to the next setting. It has been 10 minutes for our second vane. Now we move on to our third. Okay, that's our third and final fletching. We can remove all of our clamps. And here it is. Here's our repaired arrow. This particular arrow, I used the arrowwrap.com reflective arrow wraps. You guys could go to ARCHERY.com, check them out. They have over 500 designs in stock. Plus they also have the custom design tool. You get on there and pretty much put anything you want together. If you have any decals, you can email them to the decal guys over there at ARCHERY.com, and they'll put your custom designs on your wraps. Cool stuff. Check them out at ARCHERY.com. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and thanks for watching.